This is a porta potty review here on this massive housing subdivision coming up here just outside of Durham, North Carolina. New construction everywhere and porta potties everywhere. So we're going to take a look at this one here. This is a ready light. A lot of security out here, so not sure I can do all these, but we'll at least look at this one. Very muddy, as you can see. This one looks like a mess already. Let's go in and take a look here. Oh boy, yeah, I knew it'd be a mess. I almost smell this from the outside. The toilet lid is torn off. We have a full commode, looks like. Porta potty, got a dirty urinal. This thing is filthy in here. That's a vent pipe. Toilet paper everywhere, all over the floor. But it does look like there's a couple of rolls of toilet paper in here. And the last clean date appears, looks like last year, November last year. And somebody noted here, hey, thanks for forgetting this. So maybe they haven't cleaned it or wrote it down. Got a handle here. A lot of graffiti scratched in here. It is a mess. See if we can take a look on the outside here. New home. It's jammed up beside this trash bin. Big dent in the side. We got the vent pipe up there. I give this one a big thumbs down. It's a mess out here in this new subdivision.